before I came, I did a lot of study about what kind of technology the agriculture industry they are using. And of course, I can find almost like everything in this day, right? You know that we have Google, and Google, they put their hands into agriculture technology, and they have the big data, cloud computing, machine learning, and that's all what we are working every day in my lab as well. But one thing I look into those because in this summer, because of the pandemic, what you may find in Canada or in North America, I believe that is when you go to some like Home Depot, for example, to look for some plants, and you will find this year the supply of the plants they are less than last year. And then you may ask the shop why this year you have less product than last year, and they will tell you one answer is because this year they have less labor in this industry, agriculture industry. And because in the past, right, you know, in Canada, we don't have enough labor to work in agricultural industry, and basically we import the workers from other countries. But this year, the pandemic, nobody can, and that's why we have a lot of issues about the farms here. And then I look into the solution and what people they are proposing, both in industry and academia. What I found out is a lot of people talking about robot, like drones, for example, right? Robot. And what they do is basically they use the robotic technology to help the farmers, right, to know what's happened, collect the data, help them, you know, and work on the field. This is what I see. But one thing is when I check of all the robots' eyes, what my feeling is, because we are working in social robot in my lab, what I feel is, okay, so those are machine, those are not this a robot, but they are more like machine. What is lacking is I don't see a humanities in those machines. And this is what in this day, because you will see a lot of research about after a report after COVID-19. People believe after COVID-19, the human, we will accept more robot in our daily life, especially in the past like 10, 20 years. We talk about the aging problem, the loneliness problem, and it happens the same thing in those farms. And for many farmers here, they're aging and they're young people don't like to work in a farm. So that's why one of my research topic or ideas, how can we make a robot to work for the agriculture industry, not only as a machine, can be also like a companion, you know, or something like your friend, and make the people they're more acceptable and engaged in the robot, and that may create something new in this area in the